Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pumba token. Now Pumba is spelled with two A's, it's not a typo in the title. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting May 28th, 9 o'clock UTC time. So tomorrow it goes live on a big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Pumba token, P-U-M-B-A-A is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This token gets listed May 28th, 9 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Pumba with two A's, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. There is a max total supply here of 420 quadrillion tokens. Right now they have 893 holders, so they're almost at 1,000 here, and 9 decimal places on this token. So if you want to find information about this token, they have a Twitter, which is at Pumba, with two A's, of course, to the moon on Twitter. And they also have a Telegram, which is at Pumba to the moon as well. And their official webpage is pumba.club. And on their webpage, you can actually find a full white paper as well. So what is the Pumba token? Well, Timon and Pumbaa are best friends. So introducing Pumba, the newest meme coin to hit the market. Inspired by the lovable character from The Lion King, Pumba is said to revolutionize the world of cryptocurrency with its unique approach to community-driven development. By the way, I do believe that this token is listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap already. Lots of memes on their Twitter, of course. This is very much a meme token, and almost every tweet is some kind of meme of Timon and Pumbaa, so you can check all that out on here. But I'm pretty sure this token is listed on CoinMarketCap already. I could check in a second here, but yeah. Wow, scrolling through their Twitter, it's just all memes and little tiny updates, but just mostly memes and videos of Pumba. Interesting. Okay, anyways. So at its core, Pumba is all about inclusivity and fun. We believe that everyone should have access to the world of cryptocurrency, regardless of their level of expertise, financial background, etc. That's why we've designed Pumba to be easy to use and accessible to all. So they have a roadmap that's available on their white paper here. So it says, Pumba likes to dream big. The Pumba token was born June 1st, 2023. Very brand new project. That doesn't even make sense because it is not even June 1st, 2023. So, okay, maybe they mean May 1st. With the goal of being a decentralized meme project with a purpose. Pumba is a fun meme with a serious mission to rescue dogs in need, bring crypto adoption to the mainstream with new concepts such as rewards, NFTs, decentralized exchanges, and credit card for crypto payments on their website. So they're going to have the Pumba swap. which is, it says, we are one of the first meme coins to offer a live decentralized swap directly on our website right after launch. Pumba Card Pay, one of the first meme coins to have a credit card for crypto payment directly on the website. Pumba Paw Wallet, on our roadmap, the Paw Wallet, users will be able to track their rewards gained from reflections, wallet balance, coin valuation, and more. They're going to have Pumba NFTs. Our largest project in the works is our NFT marketplace. We will allow users to create, buy, or auction their own NFTs and plan to allow users to donate a percentage to help save dogs. And Pumba Swag, a merchandise store for Shiba Floki holders to proudly support their favorite meme in the real world with their proceeds to benefit the project and help more dogs in need. So some of their values here is transparency, so they're going to encourage that for longevity. Trust, community, and then longevity. So they'll have the talk about the advantages of Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. We don't need to go over that. So this token is going to be community powered. It's going to have instant rewards and locked LP. 5% of all transactions are added to the liquidity pool, it says. So it doesn't give you full tax tokenomics and all that on their white paper for some reason, but maybe it will on their web page. Yeah, on their web page they have tokenomics, but on their white paper they don't for some reason. So it says 0.5% is redistributed to holders as rewards. Now that's all it says for taxes. And now it says, for some reason, it said 5% back to LP. Yeah, it's hard to tell what the taxes are because they're not very clear about what the taxes are on their page. But if you get this token anyways from Mexc Global, Mexc Global does not do the same thing as Uniswap where they have taxes and slippage and all that type of stuff. It's just very low fees on Mexc Global. You don't have to pay these outlandish gas fees that might fail, by the way, and then you have to try to pay them twice on Uniswap, which could be super annoying. That's why Mexc Global is good. Now, if you want to find all their socials, go to Pumba.club. They have Medium articles, Reddit, Telegram, YouTube channel, GitHub, Twitter, and a contact email, Pumba@gmail.com. Introducing Pumba, the newest meme coin to hit the market. So check this token out. Gets listed tomorrow on Mexc Global. And like I said, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.